Creating a jumping frog origami craft. Here is how you can make it. Materials needed. Times square sheet of paper, preferably colored or patterned. Times marker or pen, optional, for decorating. Instructions. 1. Start with a square sheet of paper. If you don't have one, you can make a square by folding one corner of a rectangular sheet diagonally to the opposite edge, and then cutting off the excess. 2. Fold the paper in half diagonally to form a triangle. Make sure the edges are aligned, and then crease the fold. 3. Unfold the paper to reveal the triangle, and then fold it in half diagonally again, but in the opposite direction. Crease the fold well. 4. Now, take one corner of the triangle and fold it upwards, aligning it with the top corner. This will create a smaller triangle shape. 5. Repeat the previous step with the other corner of the triangle, folding it upwards and aligning it with the top corner. You should now have a diamond shape. 6. Flip the paper over to the other side. Take the bottom point of the diamond and fold it upwards, aligning it with the top point of the diamond. 7. Fold the paper in half horizontally, bringing the bottom edge up to meet the top edge. Crease the fold firmly. 8. Unfold the previous fold you made, and then push the center of the paper down. As you do this, the sides will collapse inward, forming a triangle shape. Flatten the triangle and crease it well. 9. Now, fold the two bottom corners of the triangle upwards, aligning them with the top point. These will become the frog's legs. 10. Flip the paper over to the other side. Take the bottom edge of the frog and fold it upwards, leaving a small portion of the legs visible. 11. Flip the paper over again. Take the bottom point of the frog and fold it upwards, aligning it with the top point. This will create a small triangle shape. 12. Fold the small triangle shape downward, away from the frog's body. This will be the frog's jumping mechanism. 13. Decorate your jumping frog using markers or pens if desired. You can draw eyes, mouth, or any other details you like. 14. To make the frog jump, press down on the jumping mechanism, small triangle, and then release it. The frog should spring forward. That's it. You have created a jumping frog origami craft. Have fun playing with it and experimenting with different colors and patterns for